Let us see an interruption alert experiment using IR sensor and WhatsApp. IR sensor is an input and WhatsApp is output. The flowchart explains powering the IR sensor to 5 volts to the ESP32. Now connecting the IR sensor to ESP32 as input. And output will be in the WhatsApp. Include the library Wi-Fi.h, HTTP client.h, and URL encode.h. Define the pin for IR sensor to GPIO 39. Use the Boolean function state as true. Create an account using ultramessage.com and create an instance. Now we create the send message function. To paste the API URL from the WhatsApp integration website, here we used ultramessage.com to send data with HTTP post. Specify the content, type header and use the HTTP post request command. If HTTP response is equal to 200, it is successful. Else it shows the type of error in the serial monitor. Now we code inside void setup. Begin the Wi-Fi using Wi-Fi begin command. Check the Wi-Fi is connected or not using while command and to activate the pin function. We use the pin mode IR sensor as input. Read the IR sensor value using digital read command and state value using AND function. And set state equals false. Using serial print command to see the IR sensor value in the serial monitor, else if IR sensor value is high set state equals true. Now save the program, click the tools and select the particular board and select the port. Verify the program and finally uploading to ESP32. Here the circuit diagram shows the actual wire connections being used. Connect the selected input, that is IR sensor, to the 5 volts power pin and the connect to the GPIO to 39. Power the IoT kit by connecting the adapter. Now pass your hand over the IR sensor and see WhatsApp message receiving in the desired phone number. IR sensor is an electronic device that emits the light in order to sense some object of the surroundings. WhatsApp is a cross-platform messaging service. It lets users of smartphones and PCs call and exchange text, photo, audio and video messages with others across the globe, regardless of the recipient's device. It uses the Internet or Wi-Fi to communicate cross-platform.